Hello and welcome for our lesson today. We will learn today how to say, my name is Ahmed in Turkish. Okay, there is another way for saying, my name is Ahmed, but today we will learn this way of saying, my name is Ahmed in Turkish. How to say it? Okay, you can say it as Adım Ahmet. What is the meaning of this? Okay, Ad means name. Of course, it means name. And it's used for another purpose. Okay, so we will talk about this because Adım means my name. Okay, my name. But the word of Ad means name. So the sentence Adım Ahmed means my name is Ahmed in Turkish. So let's break it down. Adım, this is the possessive form of the word ad, which means name in Turkish, okay? This is the possessive form of the word ad, okay? Adım, it means my name. So it's used when indicating position or ownership of a noun. So in this case, Adım specifically means my name, okay? And Ahmed, this is a common Turkish male name, which serves as the subject of the sentence. So in English, it's also spelled as Ahmed. Now let's put it all together. Repeat after me. Adım Ahmet, pronounced as Adım Ahmet. Of course, it's hard to write it down in English because this is another letter. This is a letter in Turkish language, in Turkish, and it looks strange. It's a. So it's adım, not adim, but maybe we will try to represent it here. So it's Adım Ahmet. Try to pronounce after me, okay? Adım Ahmet. Great job. You've just learned how to say my name is Ahmed in Turkish using the phrase Adım Ahmet. Okay? Practice saying this sentence a few times to familiarize. Okay? To familiarize yourself with the pronunciation. So, I hope that it was a useful lesson today. And I think that the more simple, the more useful. When you want to learn, just begin with simple things, simple words, and simple sentences. Okay? So, see you later and goodbye. Have a good day. Thanks.